rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. So before you take this lesson, kailangan alam nyo na ang place values and values. First, let us know what is rounding numbers. What does rounding mean? Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping it very close to what it was. Let us study this example. The diameter of the Earth at the equator is about 12,756 kilometers. About how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? The actual diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers. And what was asked is about how many thousands. Mga ilang thousands daw ba? Gagamitan natin ito ng number line. So in our number line, it starts with 12,000 and it ends with 13,000. Kasi nga ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay thousands. Then, the actual diameter of the Earth is here, between 12,700 and 12,800. Andito siya sa gitna. So, kung i-round natin to, kailangan natin siyang gawing simpler. So, pipili lang tayo sa 12,000 at 13,000. Kasi sila yung mas simpleng mga number. And also, we will choose kung saan siya mas malapit or closer. So, halata nyo naman na mas closer siya sa 13,000. Therefore, 12,756 when rounded to thousands will be 13,000. Kaya siya naging 13,000 kasi siya yung mas simple at mas closer na number. Naintindihan mo ba? Now, let us know why. Why do we round numbers? Why is rounding number important? It is because it is used when estimating. Ano nga ba yung estimating? Estimating means giving approximate or tentative value to something. Yung parang nagbibigay ka lang ng hindi eksakto pero malapit doon sa actual na halaga or sukat o kung ano pa mang bilang yon. Para mas malinaw, here is an example. About how much is this phone? The actual price of the phone is 13,699. It is about 14,000. Kapag cellphone yung pinag-uusapan, ang halaga niyan ay nasa thousands. So, ang 13,699 ay naging 14,000. Next is, about how much is the motorcycle? The actual price is 67,900. Kapag mga ganitong bagay na pinag-uusapan, nasa 10,000s na yung pag-i-estimate doon. We can say that it is about 70,000 kasi mas malapit-lapit na siya sa 70,000. Next is a car. Its actual price is 881,900. Kapag mga kotse na yung pinag-uusapan, nasa 100,000 na yung pag-estimate nun. Hindi na sa tigo 1,000 o tig 10,000. Nasa tiga 100,000 na yan. So we can say that it is about 900,000. Another example is the last problem that we had. About how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? It is about 13,000 kilometers. Kung mapapansin nyo, palagi nating nakikita ang word na about. Sa Tagalog parang, mga magkano yan? Mga gaano kalaki yan? Parang may ganon. Hindi tinatanong kung ano ang eksaktong bilang. Tinatanong lang kung mga magkano. Naintindihan ba? So kung tatanggalin natin yung word na about, ang magiging tanong ay how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? So ang tinatanong nun ay ang eksakto o yung exact. So the answer will not be 13,000. It will be 12,756 kilometers. At kapag nilagay natin ang word na about, it is asking for the estimated or rounded value. So the answer will be 13,000. Naintindihan ba? Now, let us know how to do it. Or, is there a shorter way to do it? Yes. Kailangan mo lang malaman yung mga round up at round down numbers and also place values. So let's start. Tandaan nyo to. Rounding place. It is the place value where the changing happen, whether rounding up or rounding down. Ito daw yung place value kung saan dun nagbabago ang number. Just like these examples. Dito sa una, ang nabago ay sa thousands place. Dito sa pangalawa, ang nabago ay sa 10,000s place. At dito sa pangatlo, ang nabago ay sa 100,000s place. So, these are the rounding places. Pwede rin yun sa tens, sa hundreds, nakadepende kung saan pinapa-round. Okay? Ito pa yung mga dapat nyong tandaan. Always look at the next number at the right side of the rounding place. It will tell you if you will round up or round down. Titingnan nyo daw yung katabi sa kanan ng rounding place. Doon kayo magbe-base kung magra-round up o magra-round down. So, these are the round up and round down numbers. Kapag ang number sa right side niya ay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o 5 pataas, you will round up. Kapag naman yung number sa right side ay 4 pababa, you will round down. Pero anong ibig sabihin ng round up? Round up means you will add 1 to the number at the rounding place. Kapag round up, ay magdadagdag ka ng 1 sa number na andon sa rounding place. After rounding, all the numbers to the right of the rounding place will be 0. Pagkatapos mo mag-round, lahat ng number to the right magiging 0. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng round down? Round down means the number at the rounding place will stay the same. Yung number daw sa rounding place ay hindi mababago. After rounding, all the numbers to the right of the rounding place will become 0. Para mas malinaw, here is an example. We have 15,143. Let us say that the rounding place is thousands. So, thousands ang rounding place natin. Ibig sabihin, yun yung magbabago mamaya. So, we will underline it. Now, let us look at the next number on its right side. Anong number yung nasa kanan niya? Edi, 1. The number is below 5. Diba? Mas mababa siya sa 5. So, ibig sabihin, we round it down. Round down siya. Kasi yung number na 1 nasa round down. At anong mangyayari pag round down? The number at the rounding place will stay. So, yung 5, magiging 5 pa rin. Hindi siya mababago. And after rounding, we will change all the number to the right of the rounding place into zeros. So, itong mga number na to the right of the rounding place ay magiging 0. So, 15,143, when rounded to the nearest thousands, will become 15,000. Next example is for 147,618. Let us say that the rounding place is 10,000s. So, ang mababago dito ay yung number na nasa 10,000s, which is 4. So, i-underline na natin. Let us look at the next number on its right side. So, ano yung number sa right side ng 4? It is 7. Therefore, we round it up. Kasi, di ba, nasa round up numbers yung 7 kasi 5 pataas. It means that we will add 1 to the number at the rounding place. Ibig sabihin, magdadagdag tayo ng 1 sa 4. So, magiging ano siya? Magiging 5. Yung 4 ay naging 5. Then, all the numbers to the right of the rounding place will become zeros. Itong mga number mula sa kanan ng rounding place, lahat yan ay magiging 0. Tandaan nyo, hindi nababago yung mga number na nasa kaliwa ng rounding place. $147,618 when rounded to the nearest thousands will become 150,000. Now you try. Round the following numbers into thousands and 10,000s. If you need more time to answer, pause the video. Ready na ba yung masagot nyo? Here are the answers. So kung naintindihan nyo na yung lesson, get your modules and just do it.